The Tamil Nadu government has opposed the three-language system under the new education policy. Chief Minister Edappadi Palaniswamy has requested Prime Minister Modi to reconsider the three-language system and allow states to implement their own policies in this regard. The Tamil Nadu Chief Minister has stated that he felt disheartened over the centre's decision to introduce the three-language system. Pramod Madhav is joining us with more inputs on this. I'll just go across to Pramod on this contentious issue of the three-language policy proposed in the National Education Policy 2020, the recently announced vision document. Tamil Nadu raising its objections to certain parts of this vision document, particularly that pertains to the three-language policy. Let me go across to Pramod for more on this. Yes, Pramod, so it seems there are several parties in Tamil Nadu, and Mr. Stalin held a conference with the other alliance partners in this regard, requesting the Chief Minister, even to the extent of passing a resolution, registering their protest over this entire issue. Give us the reasons why political parties in Tamil Nadu is opposed to this proposal.
Absolutely. As you, we are holding the document from the Tamil Nadu government, which has stated that, it opposes a three-language system in the new education policy, and not just that, it's only wishing to implement the two education policy. And as you might know, since the 60s, the imposition, the addition of a third language has been a very important issue in the state of Tamil Nadu. In fact, since then, it has played a very important role in shaping the state. In fact, the Dravidian parties coming to power, and that's everything. All those history has been, mentioned in this document, starting with the Anna, the founder of DMK, and how Jayalalitha also opposed it and passed a resolution stating that three-language system will not be imposed in Tamil Nadu. So all this information has been provided in the document, and finally, the Chief Minister says that, he's completely disheartened with the way it has been brought in the the new education policy, and he's urging the Prime Minister to go ahead and reconsider it. And not just that, he wants the kind of flexibility provided to the states, each and every state, to actually implement the education policy as per their own policy. That is how all this is completely coming over for now. And he has exactly mentioned all the opposition parties are also wanting for this one, because politically, if we see since 60s, it has played a very important role. We had something called as anti-Hindi imposition agitation in Tamil Nadu in the 60s, by which the national parties lost their power, especially Congress, and the Dravidian parties came to power and are still ruling the state since then.
All right, but clearly, even in the vision document and later the HRD, the newly renamed Education Ministry, has made it very clear that there is no imposition in this regard as of now. So we leave it at that, Pramod, but stay with us. There's more breaking news coming in.